Start the exercise.
Plank knee twist. The plank knee twist is a dynamic progression from the standard plank that builds total core strength and stability, especially in the oblique. Get into the push-up position with your hands and feet shoulder-width apart. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your ankles. Brace your core and bend one knee to 90 degrees, and bring it towards your opposite elbow. Return to the starting position.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Start the exercise.
The oblique crunch fully engages the abdominal wall and the obliques and helps to sculpt the waist. This exercise strengthens the back, tightens the core, tones the abs, and improves balance and flexibility.
Three, 2, 1. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Hip twist exercise strengthens the oblique muscles that run along the sides and back of your abdomen, helping to create a more defined waist and supported back. It also gives you a little bit of a shoulder workout at the same time.
Halfway through. Almost there. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Windshield wipers can help you build a strong core on both sides of your body by strengthening your lower back muscles. Hip flexors. As you engage and rotate your hips through a full range of motion during the windshield wiper exercise, you activate your hip flexor muscles.
Halfway through. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Side leg raise exercise helps to improve your core strength. By activating your abdominals, hip flexors, and lower back muscles, the side leg raise is a great exercise for improving functional strength and stability throughout your core muscle.
Almost there. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Oblique crunches exercise targets the transverse abdomens and the obliques. Oblique crunches exercise uses the abdominal muscles and the core strength of the body to perform the movement, helping in making your core and abdominal muscles stronger.
Halfway through. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Rest.